In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code blocks in Notion. If you work with programming snippets, command line instructions, or configuration files, code blocks help keep everything clean, readable, and properly formatted. They preserve spacing and indentation, use a monospaced font, and separate technical content from your regular notes, which makes your pages easier to scan and share. There are two simple ways to add a code block, and you can pick whichever feels more natural. Let's start with a quick keyboard method. Make sure your cursor is on a new, empty line in your Notion page. Type a / followed by the word code, like this, /code. Then press enter. Notion will instantly convert that line into a code block. You'll see a distinct box with a monospaced font ready to hold your snippet. This approach is fast, it keeps your hands on the keyboard, and it's perfect when you're jotting notes quickly or building a technical document on the fly. If you prefer clicking, there's an equally simple option. Move your mouse to the left of a new line and click the small plus button that appears. This opens Notion's block menu. In that menu, look for Code. When you select Code, Notion adds a code block right where your cursor is. This is great if you like browsing the available blocks or if you're still getting comfortable with /commands. Either way, the result is the same, a tidy code container that's ready for you to type or paste your content. Once the code block is in place, just start typing your snippet or paste it directly. Because the block is designed for technical text, it keeps your structure intact, which is especially important for languages and commands that rely on spacing. You can also keep related notes above or below the block to provide context, explanations, or links so your readers understand what the snippet does and when to use it. If the plus button doesn't show right away, hover your cursor near the left edge of the line and it should appear. And if the / command doesn't seem to work, double check that you're on a fresh line and that you typed /code without extra spaces before pressing enter. That's all there is to it. Remember, you can add a code block by typing /code and pressing enter, or by clicking the plus button and choosing code from the menu. Try both and use the one that fits your workflow best.